Doggy, come in! Hello, and thank you for coming to tea. Not at all. Thank you for letting me bring doggy license. Woof woof woof. Let's have some tea. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Who is it?
It is I, Senior Monmouth, the landlord.
What do you want?
Talisha, do you have a dog in your apartment?
Of course not, landlord. Woof woof woof. Doggy license. Hi.
Talisha?
Come in.
Talisha, do you have a dog in your apartment? I was sure I heard a dog in your apartment.
Of course not, landlord. We were just having tea, Lord Monmouth.
Then you won't mind if I have a look around. Yikes! Get this crazy dog off of me! I'll be back, Talisha!
Shall we finish our tea? Blah blah blah. 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 Blah 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 blah.